Good morning, grade 4. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? Let's start a new chapter today, chapter 11, time. So when did you all wake up today? Did you pray? Did you have your food? So you have a time for everything, right? You have a time to wake up, you have a time to sleep, to eat, to play, to learn. So in this chapter, we are going to learn more about time. And when you say time, how do you usually check the time? You usually go and check on a clock what the time is. And we may say it is AM or PM. So what do you mean by this AM and PM? See, a day usually starts from 12 in the midnight of one day and it extends to the 12 midnight of the second day. So the time from 12 in the midnight to 12 in the noon, that is called the time of AM or ante-meridium or before midday. And from the time from 12 noon to 12 in the midnight, that is called PM or post-meridium or after midday. And here you can see a clock, and how many hands are there in that clock? You can see 3 hands are there. You have the shortest and the slowest hour hand, the longest minute hand, and also the fastest seconds hand. So the hour hand points to the hour of the day, whereas the minute hand points to the minute of that hour. And usually on a clock you can see the 12 numbers from 1 to 12. Now when the hour hand moves from one number to the next number, we say 1 hour has passed. So now on this clock, can you read the time? The hour hand is pointing towards 9, whereas the minute hand is pointing towards 12. So here the time is 9 o'clock. Now let the minute hand is moving from this 12 to this 1. Now when the minute hand moves from this 12 to the next number, it will pass 5 minutes. And when it passes from 1 to 2, when it moves from 1 to 2, it will pass 5 more minutes. So between 12 and 2, there are 10 minutes. Between 12 and 3, there are 15 minutes. If between 12 and 4, there are 20 minutes and so on. So right now, the hour hand is pointing to 9 and the minute hand is pointing to 1. So what is the time now? The time here is 9:05. And what if the minute hand is pointing to the number 2? Like this, see, right now the hour hand is on 9 and the minute hand is on 2. So right now the time is 9:10. And what if the minute hand is pointing to the number 3? Like this, right now the time is, see, when it was here it was 9:12, when it pointed to 1 it was 9:05, when it pointed to 2 it was 9:10. Now it's pointing towards 3 and the time is 9:15, or you say quarter past 9. Quarter means 15 minutes. Quarter past 9 means 15 minutes after 9 o'clock or 15 minutes past 9 o'clock. Now, suppose the minute hand is pointing towards the number 9 and the hour hand is between 9 and 10. So right now the hour hand is between 9 and 10 and the minute hand is on 9. So what is the time? It is 9:45, or there are 15 more minutes to become 10 o'clock. So you can say it is quarter to 10, which means there are 15 more minutes to become 10. Now let the minute hand be pointing towards the number 6. And the hour hand is pointed to 9 itself. Right now the minute hand has passed, see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. So it is 9:30, or you can say it is 9:30, which means it is 30 minutes past or after 9 o'clock. Half here means half of an hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So half of an hour is 30 minutes. So when you say it is 9:30, it means it is 9:30. Or you can also say it is half to 10, which means there are 30 more minutes to become 10 o'clock. So you have learned all these in your lower classes itself. This was just a revision. So far you have learned how to read the time to the correct 5 minutes. Now today we'll learn how to read an hour to the exact minute. So here you can see a clock. There are 3 hands in the clock, the hour hand, minute hand and the seconds hand. And there are numbers written on it, the numbers from 1 to 12. When the hour hand moves from one number to the next, we say 1 hour has passed. And when the minute hand moves from one number to the next, we say 5 minutes have passed. So between two numbers, you can see 5 small divisions, and each of these small divisions represent 1 minute each. So each small division between every number represents 1 minute each. So between 12 and 1 there are 5 minutes. So each small division represents 1 minute each. So the first division after 12, that is 1 minute. Then the second division, it means 2 minutes. The third division means it is 3 minutes. Then 4 minutes, and at 5 minutes it is on number 1. The needle will be pointing to 1. So right now here you can see the hour hand is between the numbers 1 and 2. So the hour is 1. Now what about the minute? We can see the minute hand is between the numbers 4 and 5. And we can see the small divisions between 4 and 5. Remember, each small division represents 1 minute each. So if it is on 4, it means the minute is 20. Why? Because when the minute hand is pointing to 1, it means 5 minutes. When the minute hand is on 2, it means 10 minutes. When the minute hand is on 3, it means 15 minutes. And when the minute hand is on 4, it means it is 20 minutes. So at 4, it means it is 20 minutes. So the first division after 4, it means 1 minute after 20 minutes, which is 21 minutes. So the second division after 4 means it is 22 minutes. The third division means 23 minutes. The fourth means 24 minutes. And the fifth division or on number 5, it means 25 minutes. So 5 here means it is 25 minutes. So here the needle is pointing to the fourth division between 4 and 5. Or you can say the needle is pointed towards the 24th minute. So what is the time here now? Here the time is 1:24. The hour is 1 and it is 24 minutes past 1, or the time is 1:24. So I hope this is clear to you. We'll see one more example. Here you can see the hour hand is between 12 and 1. So the hour is 12. And what about the minute hand? The minute hand is on the 1, 2, 3, 4th division between 8 and 9. So at 8 the time is 40 minutes. So the first division after 8 is 41 minute, 42 minute, 43 minute, and the fourth division means it is 44 minutes. So here the time is 12:44. So I hope this is clear to you. Now you can see more examples in your textbook. You have to go through the pages, page number 152 to 154. In page number 152, there is a let's recall exercise in your textbook, which will revise all the concepts you learned about time in your lower classes. So you go through that let's recall exercise and you have to do the exercise in your textbook itself. And also in page number 154, you have the exercise 11.1. There are 2 questions given there. The first question is to read and note down the exact time shown there on the different clocks there. And the second question is to draw the hands on the clocks according to the time given there. So these are very simple exercises which you can do in your textbook itself. So go through the topic and do the exercise and then take a picture and send us through Teams. So children, that's all for today. Hope this was clear to you. We'll see you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.